Welcome to TrueLoo's cleaning video. In this video, you will learn how to clean your TrueLoo. It is recommended for each TrueLoo to be cleaned regularly to ensure the integrity of the data that the toilet seat is capturing. If cleaning is not kept up with, data is difficult to interpret and reporting can be compromised. TrueLoos that need to be cleaned will notify users and caregivers through a change in logo light color. The logo light denoting TrueLoo on the toilet seat will turn from a turquoise color to light red. Additionally, Toy Labs representatives may reach out to your community to notify your staff of units that require cleaning. Step 1. Avoid abrasive applicators. To clean your TrueLoo, use paper towels, a soft microfiber cloth, or a cotton swab. Do not use abrasive applicators such as sponges. Step 2. Use Windex or 409 as a cleaning agent. There are certain cleaning agents that can compromise image quality more than others, such as Comet or similar powdered bleach products. To ensure best results, use alcohol or ammonia-based cleaning agents like Windex. Step 3. Gently wipe the surface underneath the TrueLoo. Using the paper towel, soft microfiber cloth, or cotton swab, gently wipe the surface underneath the TrueLoo's base once or twice. Step 4. Dry after cleaning. Ensure that the glass of the TrueLoo is completely dried with a fresh paper towel or cotton swab to avoid any streaks. Thank you for listening to Toy Labs cleaning video. If you have any further questions on cleaning, please contact Toy Labs at the contact information provided in your cleaning instructions documentation.